I know many of you are wondering how to actually download YouTube videos. And in this tutorial, unlike other creators, I will actually show you how to do it. Or at least tell you how to do it. There are multiple ways to download YouTube videos and we will go through a couple ones. The first one, you just have to click on a video.
Just imagine how amazing.
And you will see the download button right here. Now you have the option to download it in high or standard, but this feature actually requires YouTube Premium. And it doesn't even download the video like you thought it would. It will only download it to your YouTube account so you can watch it later without internet connection. If you're going to a car ride or if away for a long time where you don't have internet connection, then it can get quite expensive watching YouTube. You can just download the videos and watch them later. Now, I am unfortunate to say I am actually not allowed to show you how to actually do it here on YouTube. So I would recommend that you search for information somewhere else. Because unlike other creators, I will actually tell you that we are not allowed to show you how to actually download a YouTube video watermark free. That's not allowed to show here on YouTube. I won't drag your time any longer. So if that's what you're searching for, you won't find it here on YouTube. I hope you appreciate my honesty at least, and I see you in the next one.